Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform. Okay, this platform is actually free to sign up and it is worldwide. Okay, so if you're watching this video from any part of the world, just count yourself lucky because I'm going to be showing you how you can be making up to at least $5 to $10 on this website on daily basis. Okay, so if you're new on my channel, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button right now and then turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop new videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube, and then you can just watch my video and then implement whatever I teach. Okay, and if you're in a returning subscriber, I will say you're welcome to the channel once again. Okay, so just count yourself lucky for seeing this video because this platform is actually a very legit platform, and all you need to make money on this platform is just to complete simple tasks. Okay, you don't have to refer people to withdraw your earning, you don't have to register with any amount of money or spend a dime. Okay, so everything here is totally free. Okay, and I'm going to be dropping the link to this platform on the description of this video. Okay, so once you use the link in the description of this video, you're gonna get a welcome bonus after signing up. Okay, so make sure you use the link to sign up while I show you how you're gonna make money on this platform. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you what some set of people have been able to make on this platform. So right here you can see this man right here 7 minutes ago made 0.64. This one 7 minutes ago made 0.68. 7 minutes ago 0.163 cents. So there are lots of people making money on this platform. Okay, so here you can see 6 minutes ago somebody made 120 cents. This one right here 150 cents 6 minutes ago. This one right here 6 minutes ago 0.83 cents. So there are lots of people from different parts of the world that are making money on this platform. Okay, so you guys should don't sleep on this. Just make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end while I show you how you're gonna sign up and how you can easily make money on this platform. Okay, so right here on my dashboard you can see I have $1.569 already. I actually made this in just few minutes of testing out this website. Okay, so right here you can see this is what I have on my dashboard, and then I'm just going to show you how to or how I made this. Okay, so if you want to make money on this platform after signing up using the link I'm going to drop for you, you're going to get a bonus. Okay, so make sure you do not forget that. Okay, and if you're beginning to enjoy this video already, just make sure you hit on that like button and go on the comment section below, comment make money online. Okay, so right now if you finish signing up, what you want to do is just click on these three dots the dash button right here. You're gonna see all these options, and what you want to do is click on earn. Okay, so this is where you're gonna click on to see options of how you can make money on this platform. Okay, so to earn money on this platform, you can actually earn money by doing surveys. You can earn money by doing surveys. You can earn money by viewing content. You can earn money by completing tasks, by playing games, by referring people, alpha falls and AliExpress, and you can also sweepstakes. Yeah, this sweepstakes is actually like a bonus thing. Okay, so I really don't want to go into that. Okay, so what I'm going to focus on is the survey and then the tags, content and all that. Okay, so right here once you just click on this place, you're going to click on survey and you're going to just see the list of survey that are available for you to participate in. Okay, so some of them are actually not worldwide. Okay, so you're just gonna keep selecting till you see the one that is available in your country. Okay, so once you just select any of the survey you want to do, you're just going to click on start. Okay, so right here you can see these ones are not showing the price they are willing to pay, but once you click on start you're gonna see it. Okay, so this one right here is showing 0.67 cents. So once you click on start you're gonna see the options and what they want you to do. Okay, so they're just going to ask you a few questions and then it's going to take you a few minutes. So after you finish it, the money is just going to be directly paid to your dashboard. And one sweet thing about this platform is you don't have to make up to $50 or $20 before you withdraw you're earning. Okay, so once you make up to $10 on this platform, you're gonna be paid directly, and this platform pays automatically every week. Okay, so they pay their workers every week. Okay, so once you have up to $10 this week, you're just gonna get paid, and you're gonna get a notification on your email before you get paid. Okay, I'm going to also show you the payment method that is allowed on this platform. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of surveys right here you can select. Okay, so but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not gonna be participating in any survey right now. Okay, so I'll just briefly show you how you can sign up and then start making money for yourself. Okay, so to make money once again on this platform, you can actually just view content. So you can see viewing the content. This one is clicking off advert. Okay, let me just cycle it. This one is clicking off advert. This one is clicking off a slideshow, like a slideshow. It's gonna be showing like a content containing pictures, so it's gonna just be slide showing. So once you just go through it, you're gonna get some points added to your dashboard. While this is to engage on post, this is to push clicks. Okay, so these are other ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, so right here I'm just going to go back to earn and then check other ways you can make money. So this one is tax. Okay, so this one actually has a way higher money. Okay, this one has the highest money on this platform. Okay, so this one they will actually tell you, some of them will tell you to download an application, so some of them will tell you to sign up for a website, some of them will tell you to do something about email, so stuffs like that. So once you just complete stuffs like this, you get paid directly to your wallet. Okay, so once you get up to $10, believe me, you're gonna be able to withdraw your money. You don't have to, there's no withdrawal button on this website. It's paid directly to any payment option you've provided already. Okay, so right here you can actually make money by playing games or by downloading games, by referring friend. You can still make money on this platform. Okay, so guys, I want to make sure that this platform is a real platform. So I'm going to go on autopilot, sorry, I'm going to go on Trustpilot right now, and then you see reviews from people who have actually made money and withdraw their money from this website. Okay guys, before I do that, I'll briefly show you how you can put in your payment method right here on this website. Okay, so what you want to do is you just go on settings. So once you click on settings, you're gonna see a page like this. So what you want to do is you just click on this option showing payment method right here. Okay, you can see this one showing payment method. So once you just click on it, you're gonna select any payment method you prefer for yourself. Okay, so these are the payment method that are acceptable on the platform. So right here you can see this is payer, you can see this is payer, this is ATM, this is Skrill, this is Visa, Visa card, this is Bitcoin, Litecoin. Hold my payment. Okay, but hold my payment is if you don't want them to pay you, you can just click on it and then they will hold your payment till the next week. Okay, so these are the options for payment, and any of these, even if you don't have an account on any of these, you can easily go on YouTube and then search for videos on how to create payer account, ATM account, or any of them. Okay, it's actually very simple provided it's working for your country. Okay, so what else? Okay, right here you're gonna verify yourself before you get paid. Okay, but before you verify yourself, you must have up to $10 in your account. Okay, so once you have up to $10, you just verify yourself and boom, you're gonna be getting paid every week provided you get up to $10. Okay, so right now let me quickly show you guys how to sign up. So after showing you how to sign up, I'm going to take you to Trustpilot, and then you're going to see reviews from people who have withdrawn, who have good testimonies about this website. Okay, so let me quickly log out and then show you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so remember guys, you're gonna be using the link I'm gonna drop in the description of this video. Okay, so once again, if you're enjoying this video, I would say you should hit the like button, hit that like button. Okay, hit the like button, go on the comment section, comment make money online, and make sure you share this video with friends. Okay, so when they get to see this video, they also learn how they can make money online using this platform. And if you're new on my channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you get notified by YouTube. Okay, so right here is a very simple process of how you can sign up on this platform. Okay, so what you want to do is you input your email right here and then your password, and then you click on this I'm not a robot. Okay, that is actually for logging in. Okay, to sign up, this is what you're going to do. Okay, you're just going to input your email here, you put your password here, and then this. So you click on login. Okay, so once you click on that, they're gonna send a they're gonna send a notification to your email address. Okay, so once they send that to your email address, once they send it to your email address, you're just gonna confirm it. So once you confirm it, you're gonna be directed to your dashboard. You can see it's a very simple process. Your email, your password, you repeat your password, and then you click on this, and then you click on sign up. So once you click on this, the notification will be sent to your email. So once you do that, you're just going to click on it to activate your account. So after activating your account, you're going to get logged in, and then you can follow the process. Okay, make sure you wait for me. Let me take you through the Trustpilot, and then you're going to see that this website has actually been paying people. Okay, so right here I don't have up to $10. I will have done a live withdrawal. Okay, so you guys would have seen. So let me just go to trustpilot.com so you can see that this website is actually legit. Okay, so let's see what this one has right here. I got another payment from okay, so I got another payment from timebox.com. Here is the proof. You can see this one is a 5-star rating. Here is the proof. Let's check out another one. This one is another 5-star rating. You can see right here, this one is another 5-star rating. So the first one right here said he got paid, but his account later got blocked. Okay, so this one is another 5-star rating. This one is 3-star rating. Okay, so this one right here say his account got blocked. He's been getting paid, but his account got blocked due to duplication. Okay, he actually violated some of their law, and then they had to ban his account. Okay, so guys, I will say you guys should just try this website out. Try it out, since you're not going to be spending money to sign up. Nobody is going to disturb you. You're just going to work anytime you like, so you can just use this website to raise extra cash for yourself. Okay, so guys, I will say, thank you guys for watching my video to this extent. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that, and make sure you share this video with friends. Okay, share this video with friends, share this video with your friends as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.